Hi there, and welcome to the weekend. It's Scott. That's Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Costco? This is ticker COST. Now, I don't know about your family, but in our house, it doesn't really matter what the economy is doing. We still keep that Costco membership and we still shop at Costco because we believe, at least my wife believes, that it's the best bang for our bucks. And you can see that it doesn't really matter what happens in the world. Costco is still in an uptrend and above all the major moving averages. So definitely a stock that I think we should be paying attention to. If we zoom out to tell the longer story, you can see I've drawn this downward sloping trend line where Costco chopped a lot throughout 2022, tightened up in 2023, finally broke out of that weird sloppy action and has since been trending up most of the major moving averages. Yes, it's dropped down, but the buyers have stepped in where they needed to and have supported the stock ever since. So I definitely see a clear level of resistance on Costco right around that 571.30 level. And so I'm going to set an alert on my software right at 571.30 and look for an eventual resolution of this consolidation out of this base to the upside. And that's definitely a level that I think you should be setting on your software too, because we can see it. Tried to get above and couldn't, tried to get above and couldn't, and then over the last couple of weeks here, tried again and just couldn't do it. But it didn't really break down all the way. It dipped down, buyers showed up, brought it back in trend. So again, Costco, definitely a stock I think we should be watching even in this market volatility. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Just click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.